go to my banging concert. Let's see. Oh, okay, okay. Never mind. It did come out the way. Okay, so I see what happened. I think. Let me go back up. Event one. It all begins here. Okay, I see what you had to do. So once I click on the event one here, I can. I'm guessing I should be able to go here and edit. Yep, yep. Okay. So let's say be at X place for my event. And like I say, you have different different headings, and you can change the font here, and you can play with all that. We can call this Halloween event. All right, and we'll make that the date. Go back. October 31st, 7 p.m. Event start, event end. I know there gotta be a better way to go back than doing that, but for now, well, just say November 1st at 1:45. Done. So got that. Let's see what options we have. All right, cool. That's where I can change my image. So when you go to options, we can remove the image. We can do image editor, and this where you can change the color, the contrast. So we want to make this a little brighter. We want to boost up the saturation, drop the contrast a little bit. You can save that, or let's save. Or after this continue saving, I am sure it's going to allow me to just change the image altogether. So let's see if I can just upload an image. So let's see if I remove image. All right, we removed the image. Now we can add an image. So for now, I'm gonna use a picture of my phone again. All right, got what we need. SEO. This is for search engine optimization. For a number of people right now, that's gonna be something that you can learn later on for how to do that. But what search engine optimization does, basically, when someone search for, let's say, for example, they search for a certain music or a certain song or whatever, depending on how well you optimize into search engine optimization, it just determines the ranking of where your site will be. Now, to be honest with you, with SEOs, that is not my strong point, but I can definitely, send you to a couple of other YouTube channels that's done a much better job and probably do a much better job explaining this than I am doing. So, social image, I'm pretty sure this is going to be where you can add images from a social site, like if you're doing Facebook or a Facebook event or some type of social sharing event, you can do that here. Share, you can connect your Twitter, your Instagram, or whatever, and then obviously location. If you want to add the business address where it's going to be, but for fun, let's go ahead and just pin it right here, Manhattan. Is it going to allow me to do that? No. Okay. Well, I guess you had to put the address here, and I had to blank that out because I actually put my address up there. unintentionally. But you can put your address there, and then they'll pinpoint it and drop a pin so people will know how to find it. So let's go ahead and hit save. Let's hit done, or save and done. And let's go back to the main page, see how that looks. Well, I didn't want to do that. Let's go back to my pages. Let's go to main navigation. Is that what I want to do? Okay, there it is. And that's how we do that. All right, so we got our event page up. Now let's go ahead and add another page. Just close that. Done. I want to add a whole nother page. All right, yes. So let's hit add. So blog, I think that's self-explanatory, but if you want to use this to create a blog, basically a place where you can just write your thoughts, pretty much. You can use that there. We already got a store set up. Portfolio, supposed to be where you can have your projects. Now what I want to find is where you can add music, because this is supposed to be a music site. So I want to be able to add my music collection.